Hello everyone, I'm Simon Chu and today we'll talk about Hello World in Python. So let's create a Python file first. The suffix of Python is .py and we can do something like print Hello World. So we must run this using Python 3. So we can do Python 3 hello.py and that's Hello World. So in Python 2, we have to use print without parentheses and hello world. We can do something like Python 2 hello2.py and it will give us hello world. So if you want to run the Python 3 script using Python 2, let's see what will happen. Oh, it will run perfectly. So I guess they must do some backwards compatibility stuff to make it work for both Python 2 and Python 3. So what if you want to print a new line? So let's go to the Python 3 script and you can just simply put a \n and it will give you a new line. So let's give it a shot. Python hello.py and as we can see there's a new line here. So we can also use interactive Python. So let's go to Python and we can see the 3 greater than signs, which means the interactive Python. Alright, so we can do print hello world. And we can also do print hello world. Oh, so it says it detects a syntax error. So that means we can't use Python 2 in the Python 3 prompt. Alright, so and we can also do the new line. So hello world \n, which will give us hello world with a new blank line. Alright, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my video and I'll see you next time.